Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. Paleo Diet.
What is it? Why is it so popular? How it works?
What are the benefits?
What is it? A paleo diet is a dietary plan based on food similar to what might have been eaten during the Paleolithic era, which dates from approximately 2.5 million to 10,000 years ago. The aim of a paleo diet is to return to a way of eating that's more like what early humans ate. The diet's reasoning is that the human body is genetically mismatched to the modern diet that emerged with farming practices, an idea known as the discordance hypothesis. Farming changed what people ate and established dairy, grains and legumes as additional staples in the human diet. This relatively late and rapid change in diet, according to the hypothesis, outpaced the body's ability to adapt. This mismatch is believed to be a contributing factor to the prevalence of obesity, diabetes and heart disease today. Why is it so popular? Number 1. The paleo diet is a whole foods, real foods diet, meaning it isn't processed. Number 2. The paleo diet is lower in simple carbohydrates than the standard diet, thus much better on blood sugar, and also a diet that promotes weight loss.
Number 3.
The paleo diet gives relief to those with undiagnosed celiac disease, wheat and gluten intolerance or sensitivities. Number 4.
The paleo diet reduces the risk of diseases linked with the excess intake of free sugars.
Number 5. A recent study in the Journal of the American College of Cardiology found that 76 people who followed the paleo diet for 60 days lost an average of 9 pounds and showed improvement in their blood pressure levels. How it works. Number 1. The paleo diet is a very simple program that is centered on certain types of allowable foods. These items include meats, fish, eggs, vegetables, shellfish, roots, berries, fruits, nuts, mushrooms, and the like. Number 2. Foods that would not be allowed are white potatoes, sugars, processed foods, dairy, beans, legumes, grains. Bone marrow and organ meats are also allowed, however no processed meats should be eaten.
Number 3.
Certain types of oils are also allowed on this diet. These oils include those that are derived from tree nuts or fruits such as avocado, olive, palm, almond, pecan, hazelnut, coconut, walnut, or macadamia. Processed or seed oils are not acceptable. Number 4. While herbs and spices can be used on the paleo diet, salt should not be added. Sea salt or pink salt is a more natural substitute you may use if you must. Number 5. This diet focuses on eating nutrient-dense foods. Therefore, supplements with vitamins and minerals should not be necessary, and they are not considered authentic to the plan.
What are the benefits?
10 real paleo diet benefits you will definitely feel. Lose fat. The foods that make up the paleo diet are what we call fat-burning foods. Fight disease. The paleo diet is proven to help prevent diabetes, Parkinson's disease, cancer, heart disease and strokes. Improve digestion. Many digestive problems such as irritable bowel syndrome, Crohn's disease and indigestion can be avoided. Clearer, softer skin. Foods in the paleo diet do not cause the insulin spikes that result in a sebum boost. Therefore, you can expect smoother, more attractive skin. Have energy, feel great. Not only does the Paleo diet help people be healthier and look younger, it also makes you feel better. Stress control, more regulated hormone levels including less cortisol from stress. Lowers blood pressure. The Paleo diet discourages the consumption of sodium. Short-term reductions in sodium may reduce blood pressure in some individuals. Helps you sleep better. By cutting out the chemicals and additives in typical food sources, you'll find that your body naturally gets tired at night. Increased insulin sensitivity. Because most paleo foods are relatively low carb, there is often lower demand on the pancreas to produce insulin. Above said benefits that have been reported after starting the paleo diet. Since every person is different, you may find that your experience is different from others, and you may find that you experience a completely new set of benefits.